Hey guys, it's Christmas morning. Nandito ako sa labas ng bahay. Let's go. We're waiting for Mama. Hi Mama. Ayun si Mama daw. Where's Mama? Punta daw dito. Ooh, some candy. Gagawin mo siya nut bags, Mama? Or gagawa tayo nut bags later? Ooh, what's that? Hey, good morning. Si Di gusto niya daw sumama. Walk na ba tayo? Di, gusto mo sumama? Di, gusto mo sumama? Walking? Mag-walk lang tayo dyan, oh. Na? Sama ka? Okay. Kapagal niya. Oh, yeah. Where's your shoes? Yeah. Shoes. No candy. Oops, what's that? Big toenail ko niya.
Feeling ko hindi siya. Marami tirang barbecue. Grabe ah. Ginano natin yung barbecue. Kulang yan. Sige, 40.
Hindi.
Mabilis lang yan. Putik, wala mang 20 na bawal.
Wala bang pwede?
If meron
Hindi,
pang
wala kasi si Rom. Pag nandiyan si Rom, ubos yan.
No. Nagpapak kasi ng ano.
Like,
Nag-ano kasi pa. Dito, yung spaghetti kasi.
sarap ng spaghetti kasi, Mama. Nakilang balik ako doon. Oo.
Kung meron pang ano, tipid tips niya. Kung meron pang barbecue, freezer ko. Para bawas gawain ko ng
Oo, tama.
freezer, tas i-reheat na lang natin.
Sayang yun eh.
Yes, kasi magsasawa yung mga bata. Kainin ngayon, tas pag may natira, kainin ulit bukas. Magsasawa sila. Oh,
Hey, Carabao. Say hi to Carabao. Hi, vlog. Say hi to Carabao. Ano? Hi, Kuya Carabao. That look like Mo.
eating ulit. Oh.
Eating like Momo. Hi, Kuya Carabao. Say hi, Carabao. Hi, Carabao. It's Carabao. Say mo, Carabao. So good. We are at the field, guys. Look at the view. It's so nice and peaceful. Look at Mama. Whoa! Mama, lumalapit yung Carabao sa amin. Hello, Carabao. Say hi, Carabao. Hi, big Carabao. Pag hinabol tayo, nangyari ba? You wanna walk? Hi, grass.
Tama.
Oh. Hi.
Ari, are you happy? Masaya ka ba dyan isang gabi? Pretty little baby. Hi.
With Kuya Carabao.
Look at mama.
With Kuya Carabao the background. There's Kuya Carabao. Hi, Ari. Yan o, daming bubunot o. Malay mo, Mama, di ba mahilig magbunot yung kids? Malay mo, gusto talaga nila grass, hindi damit.
Curious sila sa lahat. Bato, curious sila. Kumawak ka ng ano, curious sila.
What are you just saying, Mama?
Are you happy? Yes! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Are you happy? Ori! Pretty little baby! Hi! Pretty little baby! Hi! Pretty little baby! What's that?
You show the vlog.
What's that?
Oh, you... Oh, Carabao? There you go, dun siya.
Stand up. Stand up. Ayaw mo siya, Papa. Stand up. Arms up. Arms up. Come on. Oh, you go ka dun kay Kuya Carabao. Dali. Don't kiss it's na yung ulo, ha? Don't wipe it on your head, my love. Kayabang naman. Pakayabang naman yan. Ah, tingin nga ako. Stand up ka. Stand up ka. Wow. Stand up. One, two, three. Stand up.
Just try.
Stand up. Stand up. Papa, stand up.
Stand up tayo.
Get mo yan, sige. Pero stand up ka.
Stand up. Yeah.
Get mo yan, Papa. Para
Ayun.
mag-stop ka. Taas mo, Papa, para mag-stand up.
Tara. Here.
Stand up ka, stand up.
Oh, no. She wants to play. Pulling grass. That's what she wants to do. Wow.
Arms up. Arms up. Yes. Papa, you're shy.
Oh.
Stand up ka na. Dali.
Pulling grass.
I wanna see.
Pulling grass.
I wanna see yung
Hi.
nakastand up. Papa, stand up mo siya.
Okay.
Ayun,
Stand up na tayo. Stand up na tayo. Sabi naman. Let's stand up. She doesn't want.
Tara na, babay na tayo. Hindi ka naman nagsa-stand up eh.
She doesn't want. Nag-stand up na daw siya kanina. Grass pulling, 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 grass pulling. Oh, good. Let's go.
Go na, babay na.
Say bye-bye to the bye vlog. Oh, a little Carabao view.
Let's go. Up na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.